Alright, Eliza, say it again.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Didn't I say that?
No, Eliza, you didn't say that. You didn't even say that. Every night before you go to bed, where you used to say your prayers, I want you to say, the rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. 50 times. Pickering, this is going to be ghastly.
Controversial, Higgins. Give the girl a chance. I suppose you can't expect her to get it right the first time.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I can't! I'm so tired.
For God's sake, Higgins, it might be 3 o'clock in the morning. Don't be reasonable.
I am always reasonable. Eliza, if I can go on with blistering headaches, you can.
I have an headache too.
Oh, yeah. I know your headaches. I know you're tired. I know your nerves are as raw as meat in a butcher's window. But think what you are trying to accomplish. Just think what you are dealing with. And conquer it. You will. Now try it again.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
What was that?
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Again!
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
I think she's got it. She's got it.
The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
By George, she's got it, she's got it. Now once again, where does it rain?
On the plain.
And where the soggy plain?
In Spain.
The
rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Bravo! In Hertford, Hereford and Hampshire.
Hurricanes hardly happen. How kind of you to let me come.
Now once again, where does it rain?
On the plain.
And where's that blasted plain?
In Spain.
The
rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain.
Bravo!
Bravo!
Hey!
Hey.
Ole!